Hello friends, welcome to my channel Way to Wisdom. Today we are going to see about VAT, Value Added Tax. VAT in the United Arab Emirates was introduced on 1st of January 2018 and its standard rate is 5%. Generally, the tax is of two types, direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax, which is collected by the government from the person on whom it is imposed. For example of the direct tax is income tax, personal property tax. Another type of tax is indirect tax. Indirect tax, which is also collected by the government only, but which is collected for government by an intermediary from the person that ultimately pays tax. For example of the indirect tax is VAT, service tax, custom duty, excise duty, etc. By this we can clearly understand the definition of the direct tax and indirect tax. Here in the direct tax, the individual is directly paid the tax to the government. And second one, there is an indirect tax. Here the customer or individual pays the tax to the shop owner by purchasing of some goods or availing some services. Then the shop owner will pay the tax amount to the government. That's why this is known as indirect tax. Next, we are going to see about VAT registration. Generally, the VAT registration is categorized into major two parts. One is voluntary registration and another one is compulsory registration. First, let me see about the compulsory VAT registration. That if your taxable supplies is more than AED of 3,75,000 in the past 12 months or it's going to exceed 3,75,000 in the next 30 days, then the person will come under the compulsory VAT registration. Then what is meant by the voluntary tax registration? That if your taxables or that if a taxable supplies or taxable expenses does not exceed the AED of 3,75,000 but it exceeds the 1,87,500 in the last 12 months and it's going to exit in the further 30 days, then it will come under the voluntary tax registration. And one more thing you have to know that if your taxable supplies or taxable expenses does not exceed the AED of 1,87,500 in the last 12 months or it's going to exceed in the next 30 days, then it will comes under that the person is not eligible to register for VAT itself. That's all from today's video. Let me see in detail in the further videos. Thank you.